take some bread if you like. This is from the good baker.
So now this is the first course. We have our zucchini, and it looks just delightful. Everything is fresh. Pine nuts just added. Let's take our first bite. And hey, I even helped prepare this one in Paris. Wow, delicious.
I'm happy that you like it.
You can taste the basil, the tomatoes, nice and firm, yet they have a delicious sweet flavor.
And if you have a garden, if you have some fresh thyme flower, you can add some fresh thyme flower on the top. Not a lot.
The cheeses are mild. All this complements well. Remember, we have our wine here from the Rhone area.
Yes. It's not the Rhone, it's the Languedoc.
Ah.
Languedoc. And it's the name of the wine is Minervois. Full-bodied wine. At Rhone. Yes.
Very, very, very nice.
If you eat the bread with the cheese and take just a drop of the wine, it's very, very good because it matches well the bread, the cheese and the wine.
We went to a bakery before coming up to the apartment and got this delicious bread. So now it's recommended that we try the bread with the cheese and take a sip of wine. That, of course, would be considered a pairing. And let's see how that works. I'm going to get some of the goat cheese here. Wait. Just a little. Some of the bread.
Yes, this wine has been chosen by my partner, you know. He's a very good connoisseur in wine, and he was choosing by himself all the wine for the bistro, for the restaurant.
Wine?
This is a generous wine, full-bodied, black and brown.
And absolutely delicious with that goat cheese. Let's have a little bit more salad, and then we'll get ready for the duck.